The Sit and Style Booster from Summer Infant gives little ones just the boost they need. The innovative Sit and Style Booster provides moms and dads with an easy-to-use feeding seat and booster, all in one. The compact design makes the seat perfect for on-the-go portability or convenient use right at home. The 3-point restraint system ensures that baby is safe and secure, while the provided chair straps can be used to attach the seat to an adult chair. The removable dishwasher-safe tray can be easily detached and cleaned or stored underneath the seat, creating extra storage space. The one-hand easy carry handle means the Sit and Style Booster is always ready to grab and go. The Sit and Style Booster from Summer Infant keeps baby sitting in style.
Baby seats that are tilted backwards can encourage slouching. The up seat rotates the pelvis forwards and encourages the muscles responsible for proper upright posture. The most unhealthy position for a baby's developing hips involves the legs being rotated and pushed inwards. The healthiest position involves the legs being spread apart to the side. Free movement of the hips without forcing them together promotes natural hip development.